Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. A very, very special. And guys, we thank God for the gift of life. And today I'm coming live and clear from this beautiful house that you see here. So, actually, today I wanna give you a special videos ever, and I want to know how Kenya think about Uganda, or how Uganda think about Kenya. So today, these videos, it's all about different countries, but coming together in terms of couple. So anyway, I'm heading this way. Wow, you can see. Wow. Wow. So guys, I want to know in the comment section, are you ready for this? And for me, it's a great day today. So since I traveled yesterday, my journey was so amazing. But there's some challenges I passed maybe on that town. Maybe a lot of music, movement of vehicle, you know. But when I'm in my village, no movement. You know what I mean? So you can see how people build the house and maybe rental house. So anyway, guys, today's videos, it's all about intermarriage, guys. Are you ready for this? Wow. Mura, unaenda wapi? Mura means like, hi, my brother, where are you heading to? Wow. You can see, guys, it's a bright morning, man, here. And maybe I'll take a U-turn and then I'll go back. Wow. So if guys you are ready for this, and it's a special videos ever. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, this is your time to subscribe. And I want to say thank you so much for clicking my videos up. Wow, let me take you around. Whoa. Baby, unahesabu miera. Well, guys, also I have my baby outside here. It's waiting me, and let's see my baby just this one here. It's very clean, guys. Wow. You can see the round eye, no machine. Use manpower to wash clothes and all stuff. You know, Odi.
Karibu.
Yes, Odi means
Welcome,
you look like. And the owner said, "You welcome."
How are you, my brother?
I'm good, my brother. Hey,
I
long
see
time.
you. Hey, long time, my brother. We are here.
How was everything?
Is everything's okay? How is your place where you came from?
My place is good. I'm just over here. Oh,
I'm glad to connect here.
guys, let me open here. Because of the light. Oh. Wow, guys.
Oh, to make a light, eh?
And now I'm making the light as if this house belongs to me.
Okay,
How
hello, my
was
beautiful
Uganda?
people. I am Seveline man from Kenya. By now, I'm here in Nyaboanse. Guys, this is my brother here. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to his YouTube channel and also share. If you maybe it becomes more, try to share to 3 people at least so that the video can go viral. More people can watch.
Yes,
So
guys.
my brother, Uganda was good. Now we are back.
East to west.
We are back.
Home
Back
is the
now.
best.
Yeah, home is the best. Yes.
Eh, me, I was watching your videos when in Uganda. I see how you struggle, maybe going to the river.
Uganda, we struggled with network.
Network.
Not network, bundles. Network is there. Bundles were very expensive.
You know, when you go every country.
I never knew that traveling is very expensive like that.
Expensive. When you
Oh
go
my
to
God.
another country, you must have the SIM card.
I have seen, that's what I've seen now.
Don't use maybe your SIM card in
No,
Kenya.
I was using the SIM card for my girlfriend. But no, the price Oh, very, very expensive. Network is very expensive. You know that they use saying Safaricom is very cheap. They use Airtel.
There.
I used almost every 3 days. I used 4,000 for Kenya.
4,000 for bundles.
And I said now, the amount of money the YouTube pay us. Oh, it gives extra. Oh my God.
So that's that's the challenge when you become a
Everything is okay there in Uganda, but only bundles. That is the. That's what made me. Oh my God! I felt like I'm not. You can imagine without the bundles.
And then maybe you went to the deep village. When you are going to the town, maybe you can find maybe Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi, maybe.
No, not free.
All the places that you can book a house.
Maybe you book a house, then there's a Wi-Fi there. But most houses there we went, there was no Wi-Fi.
I watch your videos. You went to the deep village. But even me, I like.
For me, I need to be showing people
lifestyle in the village.
Yeah.
Even me,
where
they
have not seen before.
Yes, because maybe our audience stay in city.
I don't want go to cities only. I go to the villages also.
Yes, to experience life how people maybe face some challenges.
It's good. That's why when I went there is when I realized traveling is very expensive.
It's very expensive.
Now that's why as we even said Marwa and the mango, they don't say. Imagine. It's very expensive. My brother, I went just here in Uganda and I've experienced that.
Imagine that's the part of East Africa.
Yeah.
And what about when you went to the continent?
And somebody sits somewhere and they start speaking bad, what?
Imagine.
Oh my God.
Imagine. Yes. At least for you, you experience maybe some small challenges that you face East Africa.
Yes.
Maybe when you go to international, maybe
Uganda, they say Uganda is internet bundles are very expensive.
How did you maybe taste in terms of maybe food?
Food is good. Oh, I like the food. By the way, there, matoke.
Yes, I see your girlfriend cooking matoke.
Matoke is the main. Every single day matoke. Even my video, you saw me complaining. For us, we are used to gali. Matoke, yes, we love matoke, but not. But for them, even if they eat every day, they are comfortable with that. Is what I realized. And the way they cook, I don't know. Here in Kenya, I've not seen that. They use the leaves. After cooking, they put in the leaves. They put water from down. You can watch our video.
Yes, I saw. They cover.
And they cover. So
wanavichemusha.
Yeah, the taste changes, not the original. The taste there so in Kenya. That's why when my girlfriend I take her to somewhere to eat matoke, she says they are very different.
Yeah. So for us, we peel maybe matoke and then you cook.
You cook direct.
You cook direct. But in Uganda, they peel it.
Do you know that
they don't peel it?
Do you know
they cook direct?
Do you know in the city they sell those leaves for matoke?
For what?
For matoke.
No, I didn't know.
They sell.
For using what?
Those leaves they cut, they go and sell. Or they are bought by hotels, by hotel owners. They buy, they go and use them in hotels.
Yale maganda ndio yanatoka kwa ndizi ama matawi ya
matawi ya ndizi. Mgomba. Ile matawi yenye unaona wanafundika nao. They sell.
Okay, we're talking about leaves for the banana, guys.
Here in Kenya, that one we cut and we give to cows.
Yes. Maybe you can tell my people, did you maybe interact with maybe in terms of maybe culture? For Uganda, since you went
for Uganda, it was very difficult for me. You know, I cannot greet my mother-in-law.
Why?
The aunt for her, but for the uncle I can greet.
Why don't you greet maybe your mother-in-law? Or
even greetings, they come and they kneel down from far, and they say, "How are you?"
Like that.
Yeah. There's no day you will be holding your mother-in-law the hand like this.
Why?
Their culture. That's the culture.
So maybe if you want to greet your mother-in-law or father-in-law, you kneel down at the far end.
Not
you
me.
say, "Oh,
not me.
Okay,
it's for them.
For them.
Mother-in-law, mine don't kneel."
Maybe.
Okay, when you are walking on the way also, you cannot. You are not supposed to meet on the same. If your mother-in-law is coming from the other side,
you change the direction.
You change or she change. Mostly it's for them to change.
Even for us here, when maybe you have a mother-in-law or father-in-law, when you meet with him,
also here,
at least you look other way to go. You change direction because.
But for here they greet.
You can greet
in hand.
Yes, when your
Yeah,
mother,
you cannot
when
touch.
maybe your mother-in-law see you direct with your eyes, but when you don't see you, you
Now-
change the route.
Now there's no time for you to greet.
Yes,
There's no day you can hold a hand with your mother.
guys,
It's
that's
prohibited.
trick situation for Uganda and maybe culture.
So if you meet the accidentally in a corner, I don't know what will happen.
Hey, Rumbi,
Yeah.
you come here.
Today I'm here sweeping the house. I was not feeling well, so I'm trying.
Why? I want to ask you about your culture.
Oh my God! I'm not yet even cooked for them lunch.
Eh?
Where?
Lunch.
You know, here we
go and
become-
prepare and then you come.
Yeah, we
Very
become
fast.
very busy. We are very busy here. Yeah.
Guys, no greeting mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is Uganda.
Hey.
But it's respect. That's good. But in Saudi, they're the same.
They don't.
But here, they can greet. Like, in Saudi, they hide completely.
Okay.
Yes. If you are any lady, not even a mother-in-law or what, any lady, you are not supposed to go direct and greet them in Saudi. Sometimes somebody's in a car and there's a lady. They sit. When
Sitting
they come to a petrol station, you need to talk to somebody in a car. If there's a man on the other side and there's a woman here, you have seen a man, you need to rotate.
Oh.
Not like here in Kenya, you ask, how much? Try in Saudi.
Oh.
Somebody can get outside and beat you until. Eh?
Wow.
Or they can call the police. That's how it is in Saudi.
Okay.
Yeah. Here in things are different. Cultures are different out there. But that's Uganda. You are yet to. It's good to explore. My brother, you need to go to Uganda also.
I will go. So maybe I want to ask you maybe another question. In terms of currency for Uganda and Kenya, how did you maybe notice maybe this? They
know.
count in shillings or mafaranga?
It's a Ugandan shilling.
Ugandan shillings. Oh, because I know Uganda were being colonized by British.
Yes, they wrote Uganda in shillings. Now, when I have 2,000,
2000.
for Kenya, you 1,000, you can pay so many things. There, it's like they don't have even 200. 200 is there.
They start from
I think
500.
from 500 is there,
500.
darling, sir.
500 coin. I saw that coin for
Yes,
500
only
Uganda.
that. Now, when you go there, you carry too much money, you think you have a lot of money. But there you go, chapati is almost 1,000
Ugandan money.
Ugandan money.
That's almost around 5 bob.
Yeah, because one shilling for Kenya.
People 20, and somebody was crying, giving people 20.
No, 2,000.
I was giving people 10,000.
10,000 is paying for tax. I wondered, 10,000? What is that?
So when you convert maybe from Kenyan, from Ugandan, 10,000.
1 shilling is 1 shilling for Kenya is 27.
27.
Yes.
So
So if you have 2,000, 2,000, that is like 40,000 for Uganda. Yeah. So if
Oh,
you have
you
40,000, if you have 40,000, you can.
Oh,
You have so too much.
My friend, if I could have around, you know,
you are
that's
rich.
$400. Oh, I can make so many things.
No, we are talking about Kenyan money.
Okay, Kenyan money
40,000.
40,000 at
But
least.
for there, they use as
for shopping.
until the money is finishing. What is this?
So you're shocked when your girlfriend give maybe paying tax 10,000. You said, okay,
Oh.
the whole money.
For me, I felt I'm not comfortable with that.
This is around 5,000 for tax. Or
Yeah, for them, that is not too much. For them, they're comfortable. That's not too much for them.
okay.
Yeah. So that is it. That's Uganda life.
Okay, guys, you are the part of East Africa. Maybe, how did you maybe differentiate between climate condition in Kenya
And
and Uganda? Oh, guys, I'm so sorry.
No, there are some of
I'm
similar.
supposed to say Tanzania, but we are talking about
In Uganda, there are some of same.
Same.
There are some of same because there is no winter there. There's no summer. It's the same as when in East Africa. It's our neighbor. I think
know
one
it's
day
our-
I should take you there.
I will go.
But first we need to go to Nairobi. Then we we need to travel, my brother.
Okay, I will travel maybe soon.
One day we need to go and explore and know. But I've not seen you travel anywhere.
Me. Sijaenda huko Kisii.
Not Kisii. Kisii is not just here. Not in Kenya. I've not seen. For me, I was in Saudi. I came to Kenya. I've gone to Uganda.
Next year,
I've not seen you in Uganda, Tanzania.
maybe we know some time. You can
But
face some challenges.
YouTube pays small.
Small.
Small amount.
Yeah,
That's what
guys,
I've
because
discovered.
me, I wanna say YouTube can't pay me a
Because
lot
of tax.
money. Yes.
Here in Kenya, under Uganda. Now it's when I know. Here in Kenya and Uganda, tax is very. They cut too much tax. 30%.
You know, like when maybe let me say less than 2 years coming. When YouTube pay me maybe at least amount of money, I could start maybe traveling a
We
little.
will get there.
But right now, I guess it's like $50, $40.
It's not the possible.
It's not good, you know. Sometimes my family need to eat, and then I take that all money.
But we will get there.
Yes.
Soon we will be there. So my brother, that's the experience of Uganda. I tried to go deep. I went to, but the people there, they have a good heart.
Yes, I know.
I'm telling you, they supported too much.
All we
Even
are
this-
black enough.
Look at the gift I was given.
Oh. But your mother-in-law?
No,
Hey.
that's my subscriber.
Hey, from Uganda.
Yes, a Ugandan.
Appreciation. In my life, I have always been surrounded by a lot of amazing people. Thanks for being one of them. Cherish your favor forever, my friend. And it's a watch, my friend. I'm telling
It's a
you.
watch.
You see this, it's rotating. Look.
Very expensive watch.
Hey.
Imagine, those are Ugandans. The first day I went to Ginger, I think you saw the video I went to Ginger. That was also a subscriber. They hosted us there. You saw the house.
Been sleeping.
Come I ask you two
And
questions.
in Kampala also.
Kuja.
In the room, you've been sleeping.
Hey, don't talk behind at the back of the kitchen.
You know she's sleeping.
Come.
She's
I'm
sleeping.
cleaning and I want to cook.
Hey, come on, you talk at least.
My energy come and you go so.
I want to ask you how your boyfriend or being maybe interact with your culture for the first time. I want to know the reaction.
But it was good.
It's
I
good.
think it was good, yeah.
Mm.
What do you do? You love me, so you must follow me.
I must
anywhere
do
I
what
go.
she wants.
No, got it there. You give
That
them
is
every
there,
day.
The white one.
Do you know that Uganda they put also those slips?
Eh,
Did you know?
You need to visit.
I
Uganda.
told you those slips they sell.
In Kampala,
And I was
visit.
shocked. Those lips you cut and you throw them, you are making a banana to be. You know those lips?
I
They
know.
sell.
And I get maybe one,
Most
another
of the
shock
food.
that your husband didn't greet your mother-in-law, your mother or your father. Why?
My father I can greet, but my mom no.
Why?
No, that is our culture in Uganda.
Maybe you can show people how maybe they greet people.
You know, for her also, she never greeted my father. Did you see my video?
Okay.
She cannot, there's no day in her life she can greet my dad. In her house.
Guys, even me, guys, when I get to have my son in the future, I don't want to greet mother-in-law
Like this.
like this. No.
Why?
You don't want?
I fear, just like I'm coming afraid.
No, when you are there, but you are not staying there. You just go. For me, we stayed there 2 days. We went to Ginger. We are not staying there for long.
Maybe
And you go to Kampala.
If you stay there for long,
Did
it
you-
will be difficult.
okay. Did you show your husband or your boyfriend where Kabakamtesa were being buried? Why?
You know, our budget was not enough.
I tell you, it's expensive travel. It's not a joke. It's
Like
expensive.
no internet.
No internet and we didn't plan well. So we reached there. Also, we tried to fix in the house for my mother.
I saw plastering and those stuff.
You know, for
Cooking matoke. Eh,
For me, the aim was to see
the
house.
parent.
Now reaching there, we found their friends. They called, come to Ginger, come to Kampala. I went there, and they host us
For
without
free.
paying even a single coin.
And the big, this one, my friend Dorcas is living in UK. His husband is living, and they have a YouTube channel, Mr.
Mr. Punjo opened the
Bunjo.
YouTube channel.
So,
Mr. Kunja.
Mr.
Bunjo.
Punjo.
Bunjo.
Eh,
How do you call it?
Bunjo. I forget this another one.
Something Punjo. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you've been paying for us one day, like
Gali Punjo.
Gari Bunjo, yes. One day, like you, I don't know, like you 4,000.
He
No, like
he never told this. He told me. He told you?
if you 5,000 in Uganda, is it how much? Yes, yeah, 5,000 every day
For Kenya.
in the room. Where
The house for
I
Kenya 5,000.
Airbnb. Okay.
Yeah, very expensive.
in Uganda is 100.
Imagine somebody paying for you that way, and eating,
transport in that 2 days.
transport, taking us to
We take 7.
We went to
try
Ndebe.
make 7 every
we
night.
went to swim there. What is the
Somebody
name?
never
Lake
know how-
Victoria.
And they be like, it's like a beach.
Yes.
We went to Lake Victoria.
It is airport. Beaches, they are there. Very nice place. Rich people, they are there. So we try to take this 1 hour. Oh my God. Patrick, what is trying to do there?
Patrick?
He's fixing the door.
Let me see.
Oh my God.
Okay, Brenda, thank you so much for taking our brother to your
Uganda.
country, maybe to experience maybe some
Yeah,
2-3
because
challenges.
it's good when you have a husband to take him to know where your side, where you're coming from, and also to go to know where he's coming from. So the
Okay.
both side.
Maybe guys, even me in the future, let me say 24th, I will look maybe Ugandan red.
You want a Ugandan lady?
Yes.
So don't worry, you get it. What is that? Ice
But it
cream?
was spoiled before. Because you remember, I used to forget.
No, don't buy those ice cream.
Okay, thank you so much. And guys, go and check Brenda Rumbi and also
Give yourself a shout.
hata huku umejiintroduce.
Guys, my name I'm Rumbi Brenda. I'm from Uganda, Africa, working like
And currently now you are in Kenya.
Kenya. I'm
He's
going
talking
to
about
say
his
working
bike.
like a housemaid.
You stayed there for how long?
Uganda.
For me,
No,
4
no,
years
4 years.
4 years
That's all you can
in
do.
Dubai.
in Dubai.
Even me sometimes, I used to say I'm a civilian man
From
living and
Dubai?
working in Saudi Arabia. Nowadays, I am trying my best not to forget.
Okay, so I want to end my video, guys. That's my brother, and also thank you so much being hosted here. You know, it's not easy as you can, guys. So at least you learn something.
Patrick,
Maybe if you are a big traveler, you might face some challenges and all stuff, guys. At least I learned something from them and all stuff, guys. So I want to end my videos outside. Wow, before that I want to check my baby outside here. Wow, well, it's okay. Oh, I'm supposed to put there in the shade because here we have too much of sun, guys. Well, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. So today I wish you happy Sunday. So it's the first Sunday for the new month. So we are almost to say goodbye, the year of 2024, the year of success, guy. And in case you made this video, guys, show me some love, share my videos. At least when I get 5 people, share to 100 people's family, I could get 500 subscribers within on these videos. And then less than 2 videos or 1 week, I will be 6,000 subscribers. But I really appreciate for you. Since I was starting from scratch up to now, I want to say big thank you, guys. So these videos could not be longer, and you'll get the premiere tomorrow morning. But on weekend, maybe Saturday and Sunday, somehow I'll do a short videos like 20 minutes, 40 minutes. It's okay. So guys, I don't want to take too much. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you for your full support. And guys, you mean a lot for me. So for now, I want to end my video here by saying, guys, goodbye. I love you. Ooh.